Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and going straight to your profile. Once there, select About and scroll to Family and Relationships. You need to choose whether you'll add a family member manually or send them a connection request. Manual adds appear on your profile immediately, while requests require approval. Make sure the person is in your friends list if you want to tag them. If not, send a friend request first. This saves time and prevents privacy restrictions from blocking the ad step. Now click Add a Family Member and pick the relationship type from the menu: parent, sibling, spouse, etc. Because accuracy matters for how Facebook organizes your profile. Then use the search box to find the person or type their name. If they are not found, enter the name exactly as it should display. Next, choose Visibility Settings, Public, Friends, or Only Me, because this controls who can see the family link. Once done, review the entry before saving to avoid mislabeling. Finish by saving your changes and immediately checking your profile's family section to confirm the relationship appears correctly. If you send a request, follow up with the person. Requests stay pending until they accept, which is often the issue. If you don't see the update, make sure their privacy settings and your friendship status allow tagging. Change visibility or re-add after confirming they are your friend. If problems persist, log out and back in or clear cache. Then repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.